from Cheap Homesteading, and today we just got a package from Reliable Aftermarket Parts. They're a distributor and seller of a whole range of aftermarket parts for your old tractors, your Masseys, your Fords, so you can keep those old tractors up and running. They saw some of my videos when I was repairing my Massey, and I used some of their parts. They said, do you have any more repairs you need on the tractor? And I said, there's a lot of stuff broken on this tractor. So they're nice enough to pack up some parts and send it. So we're going to open it up and see what they sent us. Wow, she packed up good. It is a heavy package for sure. Look at that. They sent some rad hoses for my Massey. Upper rad hose. They're starting to look pretty tough, I have to say. And we have a lower rad hose. Yeah, my rad hoses, pretty well everything rubber on this thing is starting to get a little bit tough. It's an old tractor. It's done well, really. But the rad hoses do need to be replaced. And I kind of know what this thing is. It's heavy. It is incredibly heavy. We're going to open this up. It is a new cylinder and piston kit for my Massey. So last of all is the piston. It's got a nylon ring. And the piston itself. This thing is a nice solid chunk of steel. I'm kind of getting excited to installing it on the Massey. In the next little bit, we're going to make a video fixing up the old Massey, putting the new cylinder kit in. It's going to work a whole lot better. The way the old one worked, it had a metal ring in it, like an old compression ring. It had a slit in it, so it would always lose oil through the slit. So I think, number one, it wouldn't lift as much, a little bit anyways. And number two, I think it's just kind of annoying. It goes down because the way I have my hydraulics, I got to rob oil, and the thing goes down when you go to use it. So you know what? I think this is going to make it way more usable. And thank you again to Reliable Aftermarket Parts. I'm going to put a link to their website in the description. So you guys have a good one.